Welcome my dear students for online class from Odhan English Center. Dear students, now I am going to discuss on English second paper for the SSC students. Today's topic, changing sentence, Kumilla Board 2016. Going to next step. Notice carefully. Question A. They fought for the country with a patriotic zeal. They fought for the country with a patriotic zeal. Compound. You have to change into compound. Dear students, question: is the sentence simple or complex? Firstly, you have to identify simple or complex. Dear students, notice carefully in this sentence, with a patriotic zeal. This is prepositional phrase. With a patriotic zeal. This is prepositional phrase. And they fought for the country. They fought for the country. This is principal clause. This part of this sentence, with a patriotic zeal, prepositional clause, they fought for the country. This part of this sentence is principal clause. Dear students, we know prepositional phrase is used in the simple sentence. Prepositional phrase is used in the simple sentence. So this sentence and one subject, one finite verb, one subject, one finite verb are used in the simple sentence. So this sentence is simple sentence. While changing into compound, you have to come and so. While changing into compound, you have to come and so. So my dear students, they fought for the country. This is principal clause. With a patriotic zeal, this is prepositional phrase. So firstly, you have to write subject from principal clause. Firstly, you have to bring subject from principal clause. Here or in this sentence, subject they. So you have to write subject. COMPOUND, compound. Firstly, you have to write subject they, TACY they, and then you have to write to have verb. The students, prepositional phrase with plus noun, with plus adjective plus noun, with plus article, adverb plus adjective plus noun. If you find the structure, at and it indicates the meaning of having. So meaning of having, it indicates the meaning of having. You have to bring verb, you have to bring verb you have to bring to have verb. Have, has, had. You have to bring verb have, has, had. So, my dear students, notice carefully principal clause and the verb. This is subject and this is verb. Fought. This verb is B2. So you have to set had. You have to set had after they. You have to set had after they. So you can write they and then you have to set had. A is a the had. You have to write a patriotic zeal. You have to write a patriotic zeal after with. A patriotic, patriotic, ZEAL, zeal. You have to set and so, and so, and so, and then you have to write principal clause before with. They fought for the country. They fought for the country. TACY, they, FOUZST, fought, FOR, for the, COUNTRY, country. So, my dear students, this sentence has been changed into compound. If you find this structure, you can apply this sentence. You can apply this structure. You can apply the tools. You can apply the rules. Going to next step. Question B. They are the most courageous sons of our nation. They are the most courageous sons of our nation. Positive. Dear students, you have to change into positive. Question. Is the sentence superlative or comparative? Notice carefully. There is a tools adjective 3 plus adjective 3, the plus adjective 3. There is a tools the plus adjective 3. If you find these tools, if you find this structure the plus adjective 3 in a sentence, this sentence is positive, superlative. This sentence is superlative. So, my dear students, if you find this structure the plus adjective 3, this sentence is superlative. While changing into positive, you have to come the formula no other dot dot as plus adjective 1 s. You have to come no other dot dot as plus adjective 1 plus s while changing into positive. So, my dear students, we can apply these rules. positive, positive. Dear students, firstly you have to write no other according to the rules. No, no other, OTACR, no other, and then you have to set sons of our nation be after adjective 3. You have to write sons of our nation after adjective 3. SONS. Sons. The students, we know you should remember that plural singular noun, singular verb is used after no other. Singular noun, singular verb is used after no other. So you have to set sun. You have to cut SON sun, OF of OUR our, NATION nation. You have to set singular verb. The students notice they are, ARE, they are, this verb is plural, but you have to set singular verb. In this group, am is are, so you have to set is, is, and then you have to write as according to the rules, ASS. You have to set adjective 1, the students most courageous. You have to cut most, and this adjective will be this adjective will be adjective 1. You have to write adjective 1 of adjective 3. Courageous. 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 And then you have to set ASS. You have to set subject, they, TACY, they. So my dear students, as we have found the structure, the tools, the plus adjective 3. So we have to use no other dot as plus adjective 1 as. We have applied no other no other as plus adjective 1 plus s. So why changing into positive? If you find this formula, you can apply these rules. Why changing into positive? You can apply another rules. As the noun sons, this noun is plural. Adjective 3, after adjective 3, the noun is plural. So you can set very few as plus adjective 1 as. You can apply this formula. You can apply very few as plus adjective 1 plus s. So my dear students, I hope you have understood better, and this formula is very easy. Another formula easy. Going to next step, everybody admires, everybody admires and respects they greatly. Everybody, everybody admires and respects them greatly. Passive. Dear students, you have to change into passive. So, my dear students, question: is there any auxiliary verb in this sentence? There is no auxiliary verb in this sentence. So, if you do not find any auxiliary verb in a sentence while changing into passive, you have to find B1, B1 plus S or S applies B2. So, my dear students, everybody, this is subject, admires and respects. Admires and respects, this is verb. And object, this is them, them object. We know principal verb is used after before object. Subject is used before principal verb. So everybody subject, admires and respects verb, them object. Greatly, this is the adverb. This is an adverb. Greatly, this is an adverb. So, my dear students, while changing into passive, firstly, you have to write subject of object. You have to write subject of object. Dear students, this is object. You can write, we can write. Passive, passive. Firstly, you have to write subject of object. Object them, object them. You have to write subject they. T T A C Y they. Dear students, there is no auxiliary verb in this sentence. So you have to set auxiliary verb. You have to set auxiliary verb, but there is no auxiliary verb in this sentence. If you find B1 or B1 plus B1 or B1 plus S or S, you have to bring extra word. You have to set extra word am, is, are. If you find, listen again. If you find B1 plus B1 or B1 plus S or S, you have to bring extra word am, is, are. Am, is, are. So, dear students, here subject they, this is plural one. So you have to set R, A-R-E-R. And then you have to set B3 of B1. You have to set B3 of B1. Admired, respected. Admired, respected. A-D-M-I-R-E, the admired, A-N-D-R-E-S-P-E-C-T-E-D, respected. and then you have to set by, because subject is personal, by. You have to set object. You have to write next part of this sentence greatly. Respected by everybody greatly. Respected greatly by everybody in this way. GREATLY, greatly, by. Subject, here subject, you have to set object of subject. Subject everybody, you have to set everybody. EBERY, So my dear students, in this way you can change into passive by using this formula. Going to next step. Question D. Nobody denies. Nobody denies. Nobody denies their contribution to their motherland. Nobody denies their contribution to their motherland. Interrogative. Nobody denies their contribution to their motherland. You have to change into interrogative. So, my dear students, if you find nobody, no one, none as subject in a sentence while changing into interrogative, nobody. If you find nobody, no one, none in a sentence as subject, if you find nobody, no one, none as subject in a sentence while changing into interrogative, you have to set who, who, instead of nobody, no one, none. And then you have to write next part of this sentence. And then you have to write next part of this sentence. You have to set question marks. You have to set question marks at the end of this sentence. So, dear students, we can write according to the rules. INTERROGATIV, interrogative. WHO, who. You have to set who instead of nobody. And then you have to write next part of this sentence. DENIES, denies. TACIR, dear. CONTRIBUTION, contribution to. THEIR, their. MOTHER, mother. LAND, land. You have to set question marks. Who denies who denies their contribution to their motherland, question marks, motherland. So, dear students, again listen, if you find nobody, no one, none as subject in a sentence, while changing into interrogative, you have to set or you have to write who instead of nobody, no one, none. Instead of nobody, no one, none. In lieu of nobody, no one, none. You have to write next part of this sentence and you have to set question marks at the end of the sentence. Going to next step. Question E. They will never be forgotten by their countrymen to the end. Affirmative. They will never be forgotten by their countrymen to the end. To the end. You have to change into affirmative. So, dear students, surely this sentence is negative. So, first we have to find negative word. Where is the negative word of this sentence? And keyword. You have to set negative word and keyword. You have to find negative word and keyword. The students negative word never. You have to set always instead of never. Dear students, forgotten. This is key word of this sentence. This is the keyword of this sentence. You have to change into, you have to set antonym of this word. You have to set antonyms of this word. Forgotten, antonyms, remembered, remembered, forgotten, antonyms, remembered. So, my dear students, first we have to write they will always. They will always. This is the negative word, antonyms always. So they will always. So my dear students, we can write AFFIRMATIV, affirmative. TACY, they, WIL, will. ALWAYS, always. Always be REMEMBERED, remembered. REMEMBERED, remembered. BY by THEIR, there. COUNTRYMEN, countrymen to the END. They will always be remembered by their countrymen to the end. By their countrymen to the end. So, dear students, I believe you you have understood better, and if you do not understand any grammatical rule, you can keep a comment in my comment box of my channel. If you keep a comment, if you write, you can write a comment in my comment box of my channel, in my comment box, in the comment box of my channel. So my dear students, I hope the students request, if you are benefited from my teaching, you will subscribe my channel, because regularly I will I upload my I upload a new video. Regularly I upload a new video in my channel. So you should subscribe my channel. So you will remain, you will spend a good day. Up to this, next time I will arrive before a new video. I will arrive before you a new video. So thank you very much. See you next time in the screen.